Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad Sangma ringkat sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala uba Preston Tunsong. Kila Leit ban Kynduh Menteri ke Sarkar India Depet yaki Red Part Minority Affairs Kiren Rijiju Delhi Ïakren Halor ke jingtmu penong an yaka Foreign Contribution Amendment Bill Arajar Arpunrio. Habakren shikilat patai kubor Conrad uloong bakum ki Kristan ki sngokya yakanikaan kamtam ke Section 16 hakba uloong baki kerpat ya Menteri baladalong ke bala de ban khot ya baro ke badan mentalang ban Ïakren Halor kani kenang makin yo ban pensyai Halor kani kecing ha kani kecing Kynduh ki Ïakren Halor ki kam bakongsan balade de ki jaka puli ki jaka sumar bat ki jing syakri ha ka imlang ke salang ha ka jela Meghalaya kamtam ha ki jaka nong kendong ki bana kini ki jaka pule ki dei ki bala kershan ding ba ki jingno senyang nabari bat ki dang ye beteng ban syakri ki pat ba ki ba syai no ben bat ki no senyang shibun syakaroi ke par jong kathan kila pun pau ke jing sngokhya Halor ke jing thmu pentri kam ye kini ka an kamtam ke jing thmu ban kini no ye ki jing don jing em jong ki kinhun trekam kabala sngokhya hapdeng ki Kristan bat ki wei ki kinhun trekam kila banjore ki jing kam ban ye mir jingmut ke ba kham jiliu bat ban ye mir jingmut banya ban pentikna bakum kini ki jing kinlong ki bala penbet bha Menteri Rangba ula pen pau ke jing kemen ha ke jing Kynduh namar Menteri ula ay ke jubab ke basngotenat bat ula kular ban ra ay kene kamat syaki kerdan bakham shalor Menteri Rangba ula pen pau ke jing kemen bahaswa ban benjore kene ke bil kandon ke jing Ïakren ke babanya bat khamtam ban yada ya ke hok ki jaka puta bat ki jaka puli jong ki Kristan ha kani ke jing Leit Kynduh la dan lang ki ba mi khmat na ke Catholic Bishops Conference of India bat ki weipat ha kani ke kinhun ki kinthop ya president ke CBCI Anthony Cardinal Pula Secretary General Most Reverend Anil Joseph Thomas Kotu but Vice President Most Reverend Matthew Mulakan.
The entire purpose of our meeting was regarding the Fcra amendment bill, and we expressed our concerns as Christian organizations regarding the amendment bill, especially Section 16, where new clauses are being introduced, where seizure of the property can be done based on a designated authority. Of course, there are much more legal aspects to it. But there are 3-4 more other provisions which were concerned, and we raised the issue and we requested the Honourable Minister if a much more larger discussion can be made with other stakeholders so that these concerns that are there can be addressed. So we are very happy the Honourable Minister has given a very positive response and that he will definitely take up the matter at the top level and he will get back to us. And we are very hopeful that this particular bill, before it is passed, there will be detailed discussion and necessary amendments will be made to ensure that the property and the rights of different institutes, especially the Christian institutes, are protected. And that is the purpose of our visit. And we are coordinating with different denominations, we are coordinating with different organizations, and we'll be meeting different ministers in order to express our concerns, and we are hopeful that the necessary amendments will be made.